That works.
Dio doesn't kill this animal.
ACen day 2!
Yeah.
Yay! I'm getting hairspray. But we are... got hair all over me.
I'm sorry.
It's my hair.
Oh. I'm not sorry.
Rude. We are getting ready to go to dealer's room real quick before I have more hair on me. Before I have a shoot. Oh my gosh, this wig is so long. Oof.
That was like a little bit too.
But we have like an hour before the shoot, less than an hour before the shoot now. We were supposed to be out 2 hours ago. Or 1 hour ago for 2 hours in the dealer's room.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I had to get ready too. But yeah, and then we have a shoot, and then we have like an hour, and then we have another shoot, and then we have a public shoot right after that, and then we have an hour, and then we have another shoot, and then like after that we have the Tokyo Ghoul shoot. We're gonna be very busy today. You are very hairy on your back.
Ooh. We're telling the internet I have a very hairy back now.
Yep, I'm ruling Kirito's back. Okay, hold this for a minute. You vlog.
So
I had it not flipped, so I don't look at that. I look at that.
I look at my reflection anyway, as I'm like looking at it in the mirror. Okay, so today I am Kirito and I am getting cleaned by Asuna because I have all these wig hairs because I decided, how about I just trim my wig before I put it on? And it was a good idea in theory because it looks better, but also I have all kinds of wig hairs all over me now.
Yep.
I probably should have done it before I put the outfit on, but hey, whatever.
Here's like random long hairs.
Okay. Isn't this wonderful? Having Asuna get like taken care of. All this grooming.
See, this is why she takes care of him, because she sees her older and she's like, oh my god, you baby
Maybe
boy.
you can like, actually like, those pieces I feel like are going to flip out throughout the day, so if you could just chop them off, maybe.
This?
There's, yeah, like there's like this, and then there's
or
this.
I could hairspray it.
I mean, whichever. Asuna knows best.
Now I gotta go back over here.
But you've hairsprayed it to my skin now.
Whoa!
We're not very good at this.
No, it's not on your skin.
This is going to be a very awkward start to the vlog for the weekend. Oh, you look so good though. You look absolutely gorgeous and like doki doki.
Aww. You look good. Okay.
Alright, so we are going to be going to the dealer's room after I get taken care of here. And oh yeah, I forgot that stuff smells. I was like, what the frick?
It smells like game.
I need my games. And I just need to put my shoes on and my gloves on and we're ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm so happy. I'm so hyped. What?
There's an Asuna hair in your armor.
Asuna, what were you doing with my armor last night? No wonder why I didn't go together correctly.
Oh my god.
Damn. Control yourself. 15-year-old hormones are very harsh. Anyways, so now, oh, can you unplug the iron?
That's what I was doing.
Okay, I thought like we probably shouldn't set the room on fire.
I would say that was what made it worth it.
Okay, so here we are, finally going to the dealer's room. Oh, sorry, I don't know where I'm going. Finally going to the dealer's room, and lots of people out today. Is that a Mitsuki?
It is.
That is a Mitsuki. Oh. So we have finally, actually, I've only seen Kanekis really today, or not today, like this weekend.
Yeah.
happy to see a little variation. There are other characters aside from Kaneki. But, yes, really excited. This is our lovely Rosemont police helping us out. See the signs for ACen.
She's got one of the...
Okay, so here's some more free stuff. And also, yeah, that's my boy right there. They're okay, but these, yeah.
The one that like no one knows apparently, even though he's like one of the main people, I think. Here, hey, say hi to Gussie. You're on video.
Hi.
Who's like,
I'm rolling posters. That's all I've been doing all day.
But yeah, I don't know why, but with blonde hair, I'm just like, who is that?
That's fair. That's fair.
I recognize your piercing, so I was like, yeah.
the piercings. Yeah. I don't actually know what the series is, to be fair.
I don't either.
Yeah, me neither.
That's the thing. I can't even read that.
It's Concrete Revolution.
Oh. Why is the C backwards?
I know. I wish I knew. I wish I had an answer.
Oh, look, there's Digimon. Digimon, which we need to watch. Surprise, because we are so behind. Okay.
Maybe you've seen it before. You have seen it before, haven't you?
Look, there's Kaneki. I bet he's like $50 now. Why is there just like a random booth here?
I guess
Look at me.
we are very cool industry.
Look at Yuki. That I don't know yet. Things.
Oh my god. Now the highlight of my con, well, I mean, there's been many highlights, but look at this, food trucks. Food, feed us, ice cream, yeah. And then, hang on. Squeezes through. Where are others? Yeah. It's Saturday and only now am I finally going to the freaking food trucks. Maybe by some coincidence I'll like see a few friends there so I don't have to like go hunt them down later. Just be like, yes. 2 birds, 1 stone. It is so hard to find people at ACen. It's just like downright stressful at times. Okay, yeah. I am so ready for this. Look at this. We are being fed. It's so good. The lines are ridiculous. How badly do you want food? Look at these fucking losers.
Oh, that was the disaster I saw.
You saw it a little bit late, but you got this.
Oh, that one's cute. That one's cute.
Yay!
Okay, solo for you.
Solo for me.
That's a good question. I didn't think this far
Well,
ahead.
why don't you do your own pose and then do whatever. I'm pretty sure it's this hand.
Training. Aren't you supposed to be training yourself to get stronger?
I am 12 and spoiled at this point.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I ran into all the dirty work.
Trying to figure out how to hold this again. Tsukiyama and Kaneki, who has bleached hair. What?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is not.
So we are headed upstairs to go to a little pizza party, and it should be fun. I can't focus with this thing. I don't know how to focus with this camera. Oh, the lighting's pretty nice. So bright. You can't see me.
Oh my god.
Can you open this?
Yeah.
Anyways, so we've had a few shoots, level of photography. We did Sakura and JoJo's, of course. How did I forget? JoJo's, and that was fun. And now we're hungry and we need food, and I need food and alcohol maybe. But yeah. Okay, food times. Why do I think I could just go into their room? Okay, so for the third time we're going to the dealer's room. Maybe to actually spend some time in the dealer's room and actually buy shit.
We're gonna buy shit this time!
Yeah!
Everybody.
Yay! But yeah, we're here with Tsukiyama and Kaneki and Yuffie and Tifa and those guys back there. If I can ever focus with this camera. I'm still learning how to use it. It's so bad. But yeah. Has everyone had a fun con so far?
Yes! Amazing!
Yes. I think like this is like probably like the best ACen in, well, probably since 2014, because 2014 was so fun, like doing our Lord of the Rings cosplays and stuff. Like that was so fun. So this is like a really good ACen for me. I'm having a lot of fun. Yeah. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna stop because I can't even see myself on the screen. So yeah. All right. CP out.
Alyssa, it is frozen at the top.
Okay, so here we are playing games.
When I say Victoria's
Mussolini.
Originally, I
Playing games and drinking. So it's not like drinking games, but we are playing games and we have alcohol, so it's great.
Grizzly bears.
Does anyone have a DS charger?
Yes, we have like two in here. Yeah.
Good times.
Plugged in near the coffee maker, there's one there.
All of my friends here. We're playing categories.
And I haven't been seen in 2 years.
Right?
Hi.
Hi, this is my friend Ashley. She's so cool.
The coolest.
And my new friends here. Yeah.
Wait, I
have
got
this.
it here, right here.
This is gonna go in our vlog.
I have to ask this because you're going to know, am I the
You can
oldest
unplug
person
the
in
other
this room?
thing.
Okay.
Probably.
Are you?
Well, I don't know. Wait.
I am old enough to drink. I'll give you that one year.
You minors, get
Give me
out of
the
here.
year.
I'm just
Yep, what?
Just give me the year.
Nope.
I won't do the math. I promise.
I'm pretty sure you are the oldest in the room. You're always the oldest.
1985.
Okay, yes, you are. 1990. 1991. Hey,
1990.
What?
Yeah.
Yes! Wait, what?
31.
May
I'll be 31 in just
Wait, what day? You are older than me. What day?
11.
No,
I'm not the oldest.
Yeah.
Majority
He's May 31st. So close.
So
24. So.
I played
Bunch of
the,
twins
which one is
here.
older or how old
Yeah, no,
is
mine is nice.
Figure
10,
out when
20,
my
90.
Oh my gosh.
Usually.
How old do you think I am? I just told you. So.
Yeah, you just told
Missed
me,
that
but
one.
I would have figured you were probably around 25.
No, I'm 24.
What?
He'll be 25 on the 31st.
Oh my gosh, fruit
Oh
snacks!
my god, those are the best ones!
They are the best ones.
Yes. Wait, did you guys bring those or did we have those?
You have those.
Yeah.
Bitch, you pulled it out on me.